It's cold. It's Saturday. Let's skate. Yeah.
I think that's all she wrote for today. I'm officially working on the blunt fakie now. Just trying to get that in there at the end. Oh man, like I said, that's a doozy. It's a good session today though. A lot more of the same, but I feel like I'm getting better. Getting more comfortable in the turns and coming out of the tricks, especially on that Smith stall. I'm kind of pushing the board off, controlling it better. Before I was just more rolling off and letting the roll kind of carry me out. Now I'm really controlling it. It feels like, feels good. All right, have a good one.